Good morning. Today I'm late. It's already 8:30 and I haven't left. I slept off a bit yesterday and I thought, because I rode 136 kilometers yesterday, should give my body some rest. So today again we'll be having three targets. One is Kanyakumari, which is 66 kilometers, around 66 kilometers from here. So if I feel that I'm not able to take it, I may stop at Kanyakumari and stay there. Or else the next is Paidal. Paidal is 96 kilometers. So that is my aim for today. And the last one, the dream one, is Kannur. To reach Kannur, we have to ride almost 130 kilometers, around 130 kilometers. So Kerala border is some 6-7 kilometers from here, and yesterday when I asked the hotel guy, he told me that they are checking the temperatures of people entering Kerala. So I do not have any sort of fever or anything right now, so I hope I'm good to go. It is extremely cloudy over here and I feel it may rain. I very strongly feel that. In a way it's better because I'm out of the sun, but rain is something I can't afford. The board says welcome to Kerala. Till now I don't see any checkpost. By the way, Kerala is currently the state with the highest number of COVID cases. The road has suddenly gone from 4-way to 2-lane, sorry. And from Ullal to Kerala till now, I have had 4 to 5 climbs. So I don't think I will be getting any road support, because the roads are shorter, which means if the vehicles are more, I have to give them side or ride on the mud besides. Right now there's no traffic, there's no... Wow. Yeah, right now it's fine, but 2 trucks kind of fill the entire road. I just crossed a signboard which said Kasaragod 26 and Edappalli 415. Now Edappalli was the end of this road. So initially this road was from Panvel to Edappalli. Edappalli is in Kochi. So that was a road, but now, and it was called NH17, but now it's extended till Kanyakumari, and a lot of road works have been going on to extend this road, to widen this road, and the official name now is NH66. The entire stretch so far is only green. Both the sides you have a lot of trees. My first break for the day, 9:50. Already completed 17 kilometers. 14 kilometers to go for Kanyakumari. And 79 for Payanur, which is my ideal target for the day. So there is a railway bridge. We are on the road bridge, and ahead of the railway bridge you can see a sort of a beach with trees and a slim stretch of beach. Looks beautiful, but it's definitely far from here, so won't be going there. The time is 10:30 and we are celebrating 25 kilometers of greenery. That is Kumbla or Kumble near Kasargod, and Kannur shows 117 kilometers, which is impossible for the day. Kasargod is 11. So what happened was, there was a shortcut from Kasargod which sort of directly went to Kanyakumari from Paidal, but that was not NH66, but it was another highway which I missed, and now this is NH66 and this is going to go through mountains and then it climbs and all. Crazy! All that crazy slopes ended, and now I have to climb it back almost the same distance. Five hours have passed. The time is 1:30. The distance covered is 60 kilometers only. It's 2 o'clock and I'm having a chicken biryani. I haven't reached Kanyakumari. It's somewhere not close. I think it's 10-15 kilometers from Kanyakumari. Today was a struggle, and the struggle still remains. Currently I'm struggling to get the flesh out of the bone. There's a railway crossing in the middle of a national highway. And the gate is closed. Oh, it's about to close. That's the train right over there, which is going to cross the highway. It is getting over. That's the last bogie, and pooh! It's like it went into a cave or forest. Time for update. So it's 4:30. Almost 8 hours of cycling. and I've completed around 95 kilometers. Since we took the wrong turn, not a wrong turn, we missed the shortcut. Payanur is another 10 kilometers, 10-15 kilometers. Century update. The time is 5 p.m. and I have completed 100 kilometers. So I have finally decided on my destination. It is called Thaliparamba, which is 16 kilometers from Payanur. So I still have 15 kilometers to go. Time is 6:49, 6:50, and I've just reached the hotel. My situation now can be described in one single picture. Today was really a tiring day. I've done 123 kilometers. The aim was 131 kilometers to reach Kannur, but since I didn't take the shortcut, I had to go around 6-7 kilometers, and that too was steep slopes both the ways. So that took a lot of time. I had to literally walk for some time. Or else we could have been at least near Kannur. Technically this is Kannur district, but it's not the Kannur town. So this hotel is Ramis Residency. Quite decent. I'll give you a quick room tour. A quick room tour. So this hotel is called Ramis Residency, and there's a double bed, painting, the same chroma 32-inch TV with remote, reception, restaurant. There's no restaurant in this hotel, but if you tell them there is a menu card for a hotel, and they'll deliver it free of cost. The wardrobe, it's a very big wardrobe actually, and a bathroom, decent. Cost of this is 1,200 rupees. 577 kilometers remains to Kanyakumari, which, if I push it the way I'm doing, can easily be done in 5, max 6 days. But I think I should take it a little slow because my body is kind of showing some signs that ज़्यादा हो रहा है कुछ. So let's see how it goes. I'll take it slow, and if the road is good, I'll push, but if it's steep climbs and all, then it's very hard because you literally have to stand and cycle, or else you have to walk. I mean, you eventually will walk. So yeah, the editing has to take place now. The time is 9 o'clock. The time is 9 o'clock, and I have to edit, wash my clothes, sleep, get up in the morning and leave. So bye.